Hey guys, Kwame here, and in this video is just a quick update on some of the work we're doing on the Skale Network. I'll just log into my account here, kind of already logged in, and I will just kind of just go through. A lot of the game mechanics are still the same, but if we die here, it will pop up and we actually have like a play to earn on the Skale Network now. Let that go through and have the confirmation. And once that confirmation is confirmed, you'll see here that there's a transfer of 5 tokens to that account. And yeah, that's basically it. Everything's working with Skale. So far, so good. And see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.